keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hi everybody, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I have another craft fair project that I want to share with you. So before I get started on this video, I just want to say thank you for all of your support. I just can't thank you enough. Your comments and everybody who entered the giveaway. I'm just so blown away by all your sweet comments. It was so fun reading those. And I just can't thank you enough. So the craft fair videos for my craft fair series aren't always going to have this much of a gap between each video. I've just been trying to kind of get everything settled and organized. So I just want to let you know I do have such a fun lineup of projects that I've been working on. It's just a matter of trying to get them filmed, do the tutorial, and then get it edited and up, along with, you know, everything else going on in life. So, and remember, these don't have to be craft fair ideas. You can totally take these and use them as stocking stuffer ideas, little gifts for neighbors, teachers, friends, favors at parties. So these are also great ideas for things like that. So this project is such a thrifty project. I am using these mini composition books, and these right here come in a 3-pack at the Dollar Tree. So you get 3 of these cute little mini sized journals for $1. And these have 50 sheets. And Walmart carries these also. And they carry them with 80 sheets each. And they come 3 for like 88 cents, I think, at Walmart. So this is one of your most inexpensive, thrifty projects. And I cannot wait to show it to you because it's so easy. Okay, so let me show you what these look like. They're super cute. So here it is up close. So all I did was I covered it with paper, the outside and the inside. Here's all the journal paper. Then I covered the inside cover on the back and then the outside cover. So I added this really pretty Dollar Tree lace, and I'll show that to you in a minute. And I just chose an embellishment and simply put one on the top of each one. So these like can be thrown in your purse. These are perfect for keeping gift lists and shopping lists for the holidays. You can keep track of all your parties and little things that you have to do. I love taking these to work and just keeping them with me in my purse or on my desk and just filling this thing up with all kinds of holiday notes. So here's all the ones I made. I'll quickly take you through them. I used that beautiful Busy Sidewalks collection again. I'm loving that paper this year. And these just came out so cute. And I'll show you the embellishments that I used. I got these at the Target dollar spot, I think a couple years ago. And I had still 2 packages left. So it comes with 15. I'm sure this year they'll have something similar, or you can just use like a flower or anything you have, a die cut, a puffy sticker, a chipboard sticker.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So I'm going to show you how to make one of these. They could not be easier. Okay, so all you need to make this is one of the mini composition books. You need 2 pieces of scrapbook paper that measure 5 3/4 wide by 4 1/2 tall. So just make sure if you have a picture on your, like a image on your paper, that you're cutting it 5 3/4 wide and then the 4 1/2 tall. And I used some lace, and this is from Dollar Tree. And then just any embellishment that you want to decorate. And then just adhesive. So I'm using a hot glue gun to adhere this. I'm using my little tape glider, or your ATG gun would be great, or Scor Tape to adhere this to the book. And then for the lace, I'm using this Tombow Aqua liquid glue, or you could use hot glue as well. So you could just use this one for the embellishment as well, but I've got my glue gun plugged in. Might as well use it. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just choose the paper that I want to go on the front. So I always use 2 of the same sheet for both of the pages for my book. So like for this one, I used 2 sheets of that green polka dot. So this one happens to have like a little accent on it, but that's going to go on the back. Okay, so all we do is just fill this entire page with adhesive. So you're going to just fill the entire back with adhesive. Be very generous because this is what's going to hold onto the cover of your book. So I'm going to be pretty generous. I did use my ATG gun for most of the ones I made already, but I ran out of ATG adhesive. So I'm using my scrapbook.com, and I'll link that below. They did restock them. Okay, so then you want to make sure that you're putting this on straight with the trees going up. And so the thing that I like to do is meet the edge of my paper with the edge of that black vinyl right here. So all I'm going to do is meet it at the edge, make sure both edges, top and bottom, are even. You want to just find that and then just kind of lay it down and press it down gently. Before we press it down and adhere it with our bone folder, you're going to now flip it over like this, and then you have all this excess paper here. You're going to gently fold it up to where that edge of that cover meets the paper and just kind of form it with your thumb like this. And then you're going to bring it over, make sure that that top line is even with the paper. Just lay it down and then press it down. And you've got your inside cover all done and your outside cover all done. So then I just take my bone folder, and especially the edges you want to get really good and burnished and press down so it will not come up at all. Then you want to get this edge, and then do the same thing with the inside. Get those edges really good. Now you're thinking probably like, well, the pages are rounded and this is like a straight edge. Well, we're going to clean that up in just a second with a corner rounder. But let's do this side first. You want to make sure that when you open your book, you close it like this, this is the right side up. So you know it's going to be like this. So just fill this with adhesive and do the same thing you did for the front cover.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Okay, so now that we have both the front and back cover all decorated and covered with our paper, I'm taking my We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, and I'm using the 1/4 inch side. Then you just take that corner and round it. So there you go. So just do that to all of the corners. And it works out really good. It matches right up with the paper. And then it looks nice and finished. Doesn't that look really nice? This seriously is so easy. So you could leave it just like this and make like a bundle and like wrap them together. Or you can take it just a little step further like I did and decorate it. So I just took this lace and I just measured it the length of my book. So right there. And I'm using this Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue. This is really great for adhering like fabric and other items to paper. And I tested this and it works really good for this lace. So I'm just going to put like a thin bead right against that black vinyl, right on the paper. So it does take a little bit to dry once you put the lace down, so just don't like try to pull it up or anything or mess with it until it's all dry. So then of course just lay down your lace, and what I like to do is just go and press it like this with my finger. So it's nice and pressed down in the glue, and it's coming along so cute. So the last thing to do is just put our cute little simple embellishment right there in the middle. I think this makes it so cute and trendy. I'm just going to use my hot gun. Oh, and these are adhesive, so I like peel off the adhesive first. And the hot glue adheres really well to this wood piece. Okay, so now I've got my hot glue on there. I'm just going to center that as best I can. And I'm going to let that dry now. But isn't that super adorable? Look at our cute little mini journal. Like, if you think about it, this is like the most inexpensive craft to make. And it goes super fast. You could sit there and make like 50 of these in like an afternoon, or like with your coffee in the morning. I need to go to Dollar Tree and get some more of these, and I do have some Walmart ones. I just have to go find the bin that they're in, and like I said, those ones have 80 pages, so maybe I'll do that. So again, this is 3 of these for $1 at the Dollar Tree. We all have tons of scrapbook paper and like little embellishments laying around. Super fun idea, and it goes super quick. So wasn't that easy? There they all are, and here's the one we made together. I absolutely love making these. I just sit here, watch my Christmas movies, and get to town on making a bunch of these cute little mini journals. And I'll tell you, these are functional. I use these every single Christmas, every holiday. I have so many of these filled up just that I throw in my purse and jot down notes. So these are such a fun craft fair idea. Okay, so I really went back and forth for my pricing on these. I've always sold these for $2 at my craft fair, but I hear you guys loud and clear. I need to kind of price my items just a little bit more for my work and for the quality products that I put into it. So I am going to put these at $3 each. I might put them at 2 for $5. We'll see how they go. But I am going to make a bunch more, so I'm really excited about that. But let me show you how I'm going to be packaging these up. I thought about just leaving them in a basket and letting people flip through them, but I didn't want a lot of fingerprints to get on here, so what I'm going to do is just make one, set it out like I usually do, and I'll put some like fake holiday notes in there and let them flip through that one, and the rest of them I'm going to package up in a clear bag. Now, I've talked about clearbags.com before. Their clear bags are just the nicest quality. They're thick, they're super crystal clear, and they're just the best. They don't break, they don't tear. So I'm going to be linking this exact size below because I feel like it's the best size for these little books. So I'm just going to package it like this. Tear off my adhesive. And if you wanted to, you could slide this over and put like a little mini pen in there. If I can find my stash of little mini pens, I'm totally going to do that. And that'll make the $3 price point a little more bearable for me. I kind of want to put these for $2, you guys. Not going to lie, but I'm going to try the $3. We'll see how they go. So isn't that just super cute how they're packaged? That way they're protected. Everything in here will stay nice and clean and crisp. So I think that looks so cute that way, and I'm super happy with this craft fair project. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. So I'm going to link everything below that I used here if I can find it, including the clear bags with a coupon code, like always. I hope that you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and for your incredible support. I can never ever be grateful enough to all of you. Thank you again, and happy Christmas crafting. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
To be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July